Welcome to our guide on securely storing Bitcoin. In this video, we'll explore the critical world of wallet security and best practices. Remember, Bitcoin isn't physical, it's digital, and that means you're your own bank. This responsibility is huge, because if you lose access to your Bitcoin, it's gone forever. There's no customer service to call, no password reset option. That's why understanding wallet security is absolutely crucial. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Bitcoin wallet? It's not a place where your Bitcoin physically lives. Think of it more as a tool that lets you access and manage your Bitcoin on the blockchain. Your wallet stores something even more valuable than Bitcoin itself. Your keys. These aren't physical keys, but digital ones that prove you own your Bitcoin. Now, let's dive into the heart of wallet security. Private keys and seed phrases. Your private key is like the password to your bank account, but even more important, NEVER. Share this with anyone. It's the key that lets you send Bitcoin. If someone gets your private key, they can steal all your funds in an instant. But there's something even more crucial than your private key. Your seed phrase, also called a mnemonic phrase. Think of this as the master password that generates all your keys. It's usually a list of 12 to 24 random words. This seed phrase is absolutely critical. If you lose your wallet, this seed phrase is your lifeline to recover your Bitcoin. Always back up your seed phrase offline. Write it down on paper. Store it in a safe place. Treat it like it's worth millions, because one day, it might be. Now that we understand keys, let's talk about the two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold storage. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They're like having cash in your pocket. Convenient, but not the safest for large amounts. Examples include exchange wallets, mobile apps like Trust Wallet or Exodus, and web wallets like MetaMask. Hot wallets are great for convenience. They're easy to use for trading or small, everyday transactions. But here's the catch: because they're online, they're more vulnerable to hacks and malware. Think of a hot wallet like a wallet that's always on and connected to a network. It's handy, but you wouldn't keep your life savings in it. On the flip side, we have cold wallets, also known as cold storage. These are offline and disconnected from the internet. Cold wallets are like a high-security vault for your Bitcoin. The most popular examples are hardware wallets, like Ledger or some people also use paper wallets, but be very careful with those. They're tricky to set up securely. The big advantage of cold wallets is security. They're practically immune to online threats because they're not connected to the internet. The downside, they're less convenient for frequent transactions. Imagine your cold wallet as a vault in a bank. Super secure, but you wouldn't want to open it every time you need to buy a coffee. So, when should you use which type of wallet? A good rule of thumb is to use hot wallets for small amounts. You might need to access quickly or for frequent trading. For large amounts or long-term holding, always use cold storage. It's like keeping some cash in your wallet for daily use, but storing your savings in a secure bank vault. Now, let's cover some essential security best practices. These are absolutely crucial, so pay close attention. Never, ever share your seed phrase or private key with anyone. Not your friends, not your family, and definitely not someone claiming to be support online. No legitimate service will ever ask for these. ALWAYS, back up your seed phrase offline. Multiple copies, stored in secure locations. Think fireproof, safes, safety deposit, boxers. Places where they're safe from theft, fire, or flood. Use strong, unique passwords for any accounts related to your Bitcoin. And I mean unique. Don't reuse passwords from other sites. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Be extremely careful of phishing scams and fake websites or apps. Always double-check URLs and only download wallet apps from official sources. Verify addresses before sending Bitcoin. Triple-check every character. One small mistake and your Bitcoin could be lost forever. Keep your wallet software updated. These updates often include important security patches. Remember, your security is your responsibility. No one else can protect your Bitcoin for you. But don't let that scare you. With the right knowledge and practices, you can keep your Bitcoin extremely secure. To sum up, smart storage choices are key to your Bitcoin security. Use hot wallets for convenience with small amounts and cold storage for your serious holdings. Always follow best security practices and never let your guard down. You have the power to be your own bank and your own security expert. It might seem daunting at first, but with the knowledge from this video, you're well on your way to mastering Bitcoin security. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay secure. Remember, in the world of Bitcoin, you are in control. That's both empowering and a big responsibility. But with the right precautions, you can confidently navigate the exciting world of crypto. Thank you for watching this crucial guide on Bitcoin wallet security. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more crypto education. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.